everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a bubble snake. So what you need is a bottle. It's better if it's small, but I didn't have another one. You need a sock or a tablecloth or something that it's made of fabric. Scissors, water, soap, and a container, of course, as usual. So first we're going to take the bottle and the pair of scissors, and we're going to cut a little bit, maybe this big. Okay. Like this. You don't need it, so you're gonna leave it aside. Second, we're going to take the container, we're going to add some water, and we're going to add some soap. I'm using dish soap, the one that you use to wash the dishes, of course. I'm gonna put some more. Okay, that's it. That's it. So, third, you're going to take the sock or the tablecloth and you're going to cover these parts of the bottle. Okay, it should be quite tight here at the top. Alright, and the last thing you have to do is you have to introduce it in the container and wetten it with the mixture of water and soap. And last, have fun by blowing. This is a very cool game to play outdoors, in your garden or next to the swimming pool, or I don't know, wherever you want to play with your kids. That's it. I hope you have enjoyed. Goodbye.